Now we are going to learn about a chart, inserting a chart. For example, here product name we have been taken, quantity we have, invoice we have. Okay, for example, we will take a first, that is a product and quantity. I would like to show it in a chart. So we will select a product and quantity. These are the two column we selected. Product and quantity I would like to show in a chart. We have to go to insert. Here charts options are there. Okay, in charts we have some of the most used charts are nothing but a column chart, line chart, pie chart. These are the most used, and sometimes we will be using a tree maps also. Or others are the statistical related charts are there, we will not be using frequently. Okay, most of the business time we will be using these charts. First we'll show the column chart. You have been selected these two column. If you go to column chart, we have many options like a column chart. It is nothing but a one by one in a vertical it is shown. 3D column is there where three dimensional it will be. Bar chart is nothing but a reverse of your column chart. Vertical it is shown. Horizontal it is shown. Here we have 3D bar chart. We'll select one of the chart. For example, bar chart if you are selected. Okay, you have been selected. You have been applied a chart. Now what we have to do? We have to check here like, okay. Now you can modify the chart. Modify the chart. How to modify the chart? For example, you need all the data labels. You need a data label for each chart. Then what we can do? We can select this plus mark. We can select this plus mark and you can say chart label. Okay, if you don't want a title, chart title, you can turn off the chart title. If you like the chart title, you can turn on the chart type. You can insert a table also, that entire chart table also you can insert. Okay, don't want, take it. You don't want these lines, then say grid line not required, grid line required. Like this you can modify the chart. If you like to change the color of the charts, okay, you can select, go to format and change the shape fill. Here you can change the color. Okay, for example, if you like to change the color of the bar, select that particular bars, select that particular bars, go to shape fill and change the color, change the color. Okay, like this you can change. If you like to change the text of the entire chart, select chart, text fill, in format option, text fill and change the color. You can change the color. Okay, like this we can use a bar chart or a column chart. Similarly, we can insert a pie chart also. For example, we have been selected these two data. Okay, product name and quantity. Go to insert. We'll select a pie chart here. If you selected a pie chart, simple pie chart, it will look like this. Okay, again you can modify the pie chart options also. You can click and drag wherever you would like to place them. You can keep them by click and drag. Okay, you can select and drag to place them into a required place. If you like to place them here like this. Again plus mark, you can change legend. I don't want, so everything data label I need, I will show. Legend I need but not in a bottom, I need in a side. What I can do, legend, here small arrow mark is there. We'll click on that arrow mark and say right hand side. Okay, like this it will give you the color, which color represent to what. Okay, which section is represent which color. Okay, like this we can insert a pie chart. Again one more chart we can will insert, that is a tree map. Select, insert, go to here tree map, select a tree map, so that here you can observe, we can drag it to right and you can increase the size also. Okay, tree map how it will work, based on a quantity, based on a quantity the size of this particular box will be varied. Okay, for example, we'll take it legend, click on that arrow mark and click to our right, so that we'll have a clear visual. Okay, which one is the highest here? That is nothing but a resistor. Okay, then second resistor. Okay, like this we have again we can do like this. We can take a data labels also. Okay, data labels you can take it off or like this. Okay, this is way we can modify the chart. The one more chart we can insert, that is a line chart. Select the data, go to insert line chart. Here also different types of the line charts are available. The first one is a basic line chart. Select that one. You can see we have been inserted a line chart. Okay, you can move that one, select and drag and place. Like this you can modify. Again you can modify by using a format option. You can change the background color, everything. Okay, you can change the background color, or you can add the legend, or if you like to add the data table, data labels, like this you can change. Okay, this is how you can utilize any type of the chart here available based on your requirement. You can select, first we have to select the columns. Okay, which are the things you would like to take it to chart. Okay, one should be, at least one should be value. One column should be have value, one column should have a text. Okay, then we will go to a inserting a chart. Okay, so that it will be show that how exactly data is look like. Okay, this is about how to insert a chart in a, yes, MX Excel.